Hi everyone, here I've got LG K51s and let me show you how to do a Google backup. So first of all, let's open the settings. Then let's scroll down to the system, click on it, and here let's choose the backup. Okay, so let's now tap on Google Backup. And as you can see, now it is backup to Google Drive. You can click on it, but this action will turn it off and delete backup, so we don't want that. So simply click on backup now. Here we've got the info about the account which is applied here, and simply click on backup now. And now we have to wait a second because our device is backing up our data. So let's wait. This process can take a few minutes. Okay, as you can see, your data is backed up, so it is saved in another place than only your device, so it is safe from the loss. So that's all. This is how you back up your data via Google in your LG K51s. So thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful for you, please hit the subscribe button and leave that thumbs up.